The most important sentences for daily use. Part 3. They are busy now. They were in Hyderabad yesterday. They will be busy tomorrow. They are at home. They watch movies. They help me. They come to college regularly. They are our relatives. They are staying at Teachers' Colony. They are going to the railway station now. They are doing homework now. They are in the classroom now. They are rich people. They both are friends. They are my sisters. They maintain punctuality. They don't tell lies. He speaks English. He watches movies now and then. He plays chess every day.